अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं गोश्त का पुलाव। आई हैव यूज्ड मटन, यू कैन यूज एनी मीट। चलो शुरू करते हैं। प्रेशर कुकर में बना लेते हैं। Add 2 ladles of oil. When the oil becomes hot, add the whole garam masala, 3 each of long, patta is cinnamon, and ilachi cardamom, and 1 bay leaf. When they start crackling, add 5 medium-sized onions sliced. Saute till golden brown. When the onions are half done, add 4 green chillies and a few Kothmir, coriander and Pudina leaves. Continue sauteing till golden brown. Once the onions are golden brown, add 1.5 tablespoons of ginger paste and 2 tablespoons of garlic paste. Saute well till the raw smell goes. You can add water if you find it necessary. Now add 3 teaspoons of chilli powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of salt, what I'm adding is only for the masala. Later when I add rice, I will add more salt. I'm using 750 grams of mutton to 750 grams of Zeera Samba rice. Now add 4 tomatoes sliced and saute till the tomatoes become soft. If you find the masala catching at the bottom, do add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water while sauteing. As you can see now, the oil has left the sides. The tomatoes have become soft. Now it's time to add the meat. The cut of the meat is biryani cut, and each piece weighs around 80 to 100 grams. Mix well and saute on medium to high heat for at least 5 to 7 minutes. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of beaten curd and mix well. Now add 3 to 4 potatoes cut into half. Mix well till all the masala coats the potatoes. Now add the juice of half a lemon. Mix well and add 3 glasses of water. We can add more hot water later while adding the rice. Cover and pressure cook for 3 whistles. After 3 whistles, let the pressure cooker cool down on its own. Open and shift the masala to a wide-mouthed, deeper kadai. Add 1.5 glass more of water. So total I've added 4.5 glasses of water. Add 3 teaspoons of salt. I've already added 1 teaspoon while we were cooking the masala. When the masala starts to boil, add 750 grams of washed and soaked Zeera Samba rice. You can even use basmati rice. Mix well and let it cook. Once the water starts to dry up, mix again, lower the flame, cover and leave it on dum. 10 to 15 minutes later, let's check. The water is completely dried up. The rice is grainy. Do try it out. It's a 1-pot dish. If you want the rice to be more soft, you can add another half a glass of water. I've added 4.5. You can add 5, but this is correct. Have with an accompaniment of raita, and that's it. Mutton Pulao is now ready. Do try it out. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.